is the famous Veronica. She does everything the same. She hates to be on camera and stuff. So, Mr. Ford,
She's sure I heard her. Wait a minute. Who am I talking to?
to Facebook and the media.
Facebook?
Yes. This is my vlog on a Sunday morning.
¿Cómo se dice Facebook en español?
Cara libro.
Ah, Cala Libro.
Cara libro.
Cala Libro. ¿Habla español, señorita? Sí.
No, the buzz was there even
You
before
know
he
what?
started.
She's standing here trying to cause us problems. Send her away.
That's what I've been saying.
Oh, that's wrong.
We will fix it. Go away.
Joe, we need your assistance.
Let me tell you something. That was here a long time before this was. Are you listening to me? Yeah, well,
Dude, I have a shirt like
a long
that.
time before this microphone.
I was gonna wear it. I was gonna wear shirt.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's my standby because my other one I couldn't figure it out.
The input from hello. Look at me.
Bro, el milagro.
Input from this right there. Let's
Un milagro. Dios quiere ser en ti, bro.
Getting any juice?
Loosen it. Okay.
John, can you help
Take
Yeah,
it
yeah.
out, please, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4.